Hello, welcome back to Home Design Studio. This is again our series on how to design and model a residential project in Revit. And in this particular tutorial, we are now going to look on how to place a floor and also the ceiling. Before I get into this tutorial, I would like to ask you to like the tutorial because this really helps me a lot with the YouTube algorithm. And if not yet, I would suggest to subscribe because I make tutorials like this every week. To place a floor, I will go to the architecture tab, then go to the floor here, and I will go to the drop down menu and choose the architectural floor. Now I will have a lot of draw methods such as linear, rectangular, polygonal, the arcs and so on, but in this particular case I am going to use the pick line. Let me click on the pick line and I will go over the interior face of the walls, and I will pick the next one, also the next one, and when I reach here I will pick this grid. I think I have made a mistake. Let me go back. I will pick this particular wall, okay, and also this particular wall, and when I reach here I will pick this grid, and here I will also pick the grid again, and here I will pick this outside face, okay, of the wall. Okay, now let me go to trim and extend to cut some unnecessary lines. I want to remain with this line and this one, and I will need to remain with this one and that one. Here I will pick this one and this one, then we will need this one and this one here. I want to remain this one and that, and then I think our floor is ready. When I'm ready with that one, I will click on this thick mark, and our floor is ready. Let us preview it in 3D to see what we have done here. You can see that we have our floor and it looks perfect here. Okay, now let us return to the ground floor, and I will go to that particular floor, click at that, and then I will edit the boundaries. I want to have these lines outside of this particular wall. I click that line and I will extend it to there. I will also extend it to the outside face of that particular wall, and that's right. Okay, now I think this one we will need to put it also inside and put it inside. Okay, here, and that's it. Click on this check mark and we're all done. Okay, this is now great. Now go to the ground floor and we are going to draw the ceiling. I will go to the first floor, or even I'll go to the ceiling and go to the ground floor. go to the ceiling, I will take this plain compound ceiling and I will change it into the one with 600 by 600 grid, and I will change the height offset to something like 3.2, and that's actually it. Now we'll go to the ceiling plans on the ground floor, and when I come closer to a closed space, I will be able to place a ceiling like that. Okay, now I will need the ceiling to the side of the living room and this corridor, and if I click once, the ceiling will automatically be placed. I will place the second time, sitting in the kids room and sitting in the master bedroom and another one in the master bath. Okay, this one, the for the kitchen and the store, I can also put one in the store, but for the kitchen I will leave it open to the sky. Let us preview it in 3D and see what we have done. Okay, it looks actually like this. Okay, great. This is the end of our tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial, which shall be about the roof.